这是我第一次做那个龙，然后刚刚也是体验了一下做那个龙舞吧，然后玩了一下，觉得很好玩。
我感觉还挺有意思的，就是很有中国的味道。
It's a very special event because it's very cultural. It's only based in China and it's based on ancient Chinese stories.
就是很霸气的那种，带着力量的。
哎，这龙可能是很霸气的，很强，很厉害。刚刚那个老师说了，黑色的龙是老大，今天我是老大。
I think it symbolizes the Chinese spirit. Like I said, I've had a lot of Chinese friends, and through them, they got to teach me more about what China really is, what it is to be with Chinese people. Because ever since I've come here, I've never ever felt like I'm not welcomed in China. You can have a better sense of relief and feel like you're at home. You don't feel like a foreigner, even though you know you're a foreigner because you look different to the people. They treat you like you're part of them. And because of that, I'm forever grateful for it.